In this video, I am going to teach you how to change your phone number on Coinbase the easy way. Whether you lost access to your old number or just want to update it, I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, go to Coinbase.com and sign in using your email and password. Ensure you have access to your two-step verification method to complete the login. Next, click the menu icon or the 9 dots in the upper right corner of your dashboard. This will reveal more account options. Then, choose Accounts from the available list. This section contains all your personal details and security settings. After that, you'll see your current phone number listed. Click Edit, and Coinbase will guide you through the process. You may be asked to verify your identity and enter a new number. And that's how you change your phone number on Coinbase. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful crypto tutorials. See you next time!